Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage fitness goals with Fitbit, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Fitbit app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your Fitbit device by pairing it with your smartphone. After syncing, the app will guide you through setting your fitness goals. Start by selecting a daily step goal that is realistic and motivating for you. Next, choose specific goals for active minutes and distance. If you're focusing on weight management, input your target weight and time frame. Consider adding additional goals for sleep duration and water intake. Navigate to the Progress tab to track your daily achievements and trends. Check the Exercise section to log any workouts you complete. Utilize the Challenges feature to engage with friends or family for added motivation. Monitor your heart rate during exercises by wearing your Fitbit properly on your wrist. Take advantage of the reminders to move, encouraging you to stay active throughout the day. Review your weekly and monthly stats to assess your overall progress. Make adjustments to your goals as needed to keep them challenging yet attainable. Stay consistent and regularly interact with the app to maintain your motivation and commitment. Use the insights and data provided to make informed decisions about your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.